Welcome back to Apex Automotive, where we explore the finest machines redefining the future of travel. Today, we don't just have a vehicle, we have a rolling revolution. A motorhome so opulent, so futuristic, and yes, so outrageously expensive, that it blurs the line between hypercar and palace on wheels. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the $8 Million Bugatti Motorhome. The future of luxury nomadic travel has officially arrived. At first glance, the Bugatti Motorhome looks nothing like the lumbering giants you see pulling into campsites. No, this is something else entirely. It's as if a Bugatti Chiron and a Gulfstream G700 private jet were fused into one sculptural masterpiece. The body wears sweeping aerodynamic curves, draped in high-gloss carbon fiber, every surface carved with intention. At over 45 feet long, it commands presence, yet its design is not bulky but streamlined, flowing like liquid metal frozen mid-motion. Up front, the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille makes its statement, flanked by razor-thin LED matrix headlights. Wheels? Monolithic, multi-spoke forged alloys that look more suited to a concept hypercar than a motorhome wrapped in custom Pirelli tires, engineered to bear the weight of an entire residence while maintaining agility. And then there's its stance. An adaptive air suspension system lowers the vehicle when parked, giving it a yacht-like poise. When raised for cruising, it slices through air with surprising aerodynamic efficiency. This is not just an RV, it's a land yacht sculpted for the 22nd century. Step inside, and reality itself seems upgraded. The Bugatti Motorhome interior is less of a living space and more of a bespoke penthouse suite with wheels. Crafted in partnership with the same artisans who upholster Bugatti's $3 million hypercars, every inch breathes extravagance. The cockpit area is wrapped in leather and aluminum, with digital screens arching around the driver like the flight deck of a spacecraft. The steering interface is inspired by Bugatti's hypercar heritage, though here, it also controls features like satellite alignment, panoramic roof tint, and climate zones throughout the entire cabin. Behind the cockpit, the living quarters expand like a modern architectural masterpiece. Flooring, Italian marble with underfloor heating. Walls, carbon fiber textures integrated with OLED ambient panels to simulate skylines, sunsets, or even the stars at night. Furniture, hand-stitched leather loungers that recline at the touch of a button, folding seamlessly into the floor when unused. The master bedroom suite rivals five-star hotels. A king-sized floating bed, panoramic electrochromic smart glass, displaying the scenery outside or fading into privacy with a single gesture. The bathroom features a rainfall shower with water recycling nanotechnology, ensuring luxury doesn't compromise sustainability. And yes, there's even a climate-controlled garage bay at the rear, perfectly sized for your Bugatti Chiron or Bolide, because even billionaires need a runabout once they've parked their $8 million mansion on wheels. A motorhome of this scale shouldn't move like a hypercar, and yet here we are. Bugatti has taken the impossible and engineered it into motion. Underneath lies a quad-turbocharged 8-liter W16 hybrid drivetrain. Yes, the legendary power plant from Bugatti's hypercars, re-engineered for long-distance travel. The combined output? A staggering 1,800 horsepower. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in just under 6 seconds, a number unthinkable for something weighing over 40,000 pounds. Top speed is electronically limited to 150 miles per hour, more than enough to crown it the world's fastest motorhome. Not that anyone will be drag racing this palace on wheels, but the sheer potential energy is exhilarating. The suspension system reads the road with LiDAR scanners, adjusting each corner hundreds of times per second. The result? A buttery smooth ride that feels more private jet than RV. And because the future demands responsibility, Bugatti integrates a hybrid electric mode, good for around 120 miles of silent, emissions-free range on battery alone, perfect for gliding through city centers or eco-restricted zones without a whisper of engine noise. And now, the number that makes even billionaires pause. The Bugatti Motorhome comes in at a jaw-dropping $8 million before personalization. Add in bespoke customizations through Bugatti's Atelier, and that figure can climb closer to $10 million. Production? Utterly exclusive. Only 10 units worldwide will ever exist, ensuring that ownership becomes less about driving and more about possessing a moving piece of automotive art. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement, a traveling monument to engineering excess and imaginative design. So, what exactly have we witnessed here? The Bugatti Motorhome is not merely transportation. It is a hyper-luxury lifestyle distilled into motion, From the spaceship-like cabin and private jet ambience to the thunderous W16 hybrid drive underneath, it is part vehicle, part architectural masterpiece, and part status symbol, unlike anything else on Earth. For those lucky enough to own one, the world is no longer a map of destinations, it's your extended driveway. Music rises softly. Thanks so much for watching Apex Automotive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the world's most extraordinary vehicles. See you next time.